Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to demystify the magic behind AI so you can start using it like an absolute pro. All right, let's just dive right in. So we're in part 2 of a really fantastic 20-lesson tutorial all about prompt engineering. It's put out for free by Virtualization Options. So if you're trying to get way better results from AI, you have come to the right place. The secret isn't really in the AI itself. It's all about your instructions. Today, we're going to peek under the hood to see how these things actually work so you can start writing prompts that get you what you need every single time. Okay, so let's pull back the curtain and start with the most basic question. What in the world is a large language model or an LLM? This is the engine that's driving all the AI tools we're starting to use every day. I want you to imagine someone who has read pretty much the entire internet. Now, they haven't understood it, not really, but they've seen so many examples of how words fit together that they've become masters at just recognizing patterns in language. That, in a nutshell, is an LLM. And this is the most important thing to get your head around. LLMs are not thinking. Seriously, they don't have feelings or beliefs or any real understanding. They are just incredibly sophisticated pattern matchers, making highly educated guesses about which word should probably come next. It's all prediction, not actual thought. And understanding this whole pattern matching thing is key. It all becomes crystal clear when we look at the 4 steps that happen in a flash every single time you hit enter on a prompt. And this happens in an instant. So first, your prompt gets broken down into these tiny little pieces called tokens. You can think of them like Lego bricks of language. Then, the AI just scours its massive training data looking for similar patterns. After that, it starts building a response, predicting the most likely word to come next, and then the next, and so on. Finally, it puts all those words together and delivers the complete output right back to you. So now that we have a feel for how it works, let's learn the lingo. Just knowing a few key terms is going to make you a much more effective communicator with any AI. It's what turns you from a casual user into a real power user. First up, the prompt. This is easy. It's just your instruction. It's the question you ask or the command you give. It is the single most important tool you have for controlling what the AI gives you back. Next, we have a token. This is how the AI actually sees your words. A simple word like the might be 1 token, but a more complex word like unbelievable could be broken into 2 or 3 tokens, like unbelievable. This matters because all AI models have a token limit, which basically sets the size for how much text you can give it and get back at one time. And finally, temperature. This one's kind of fun. It's basically a creativity dial. If you want a really focused, factual, predictable answer, you just turn the temperature down low. But if you want something more creative, maybe a bit more imaginative or unexpected, you crank that temperature up. So why does all this matter? Well, think about it. If the AI is just a world-class pattern matcher, you have to give it a really clear pattern to match. Vague instructions, they lead to vague and frankly often useless results. Just look at the difference here. Tell me about sales. That's such a fuzzy request. It forces the AI to just guess what you want. But asking for a quarterly sales analysis for our Northeast region, now that gives it a clear target. You've given it context, you've given it constraints, and that is the absolute key to getting a valuable, actionable result. Okay, quick recap. Let's go over the key ideas one more time that'll help you become a much better prompter. So let's lock these in. AI is the whole big field. The LLM, that's the specific engine we're using. The prompt is your command. Tokens are the text building blocks for the AI. Context is that crucial background info you provide. And here's one to really watch out for: hallucination. That's when the AI, because it's just trying to predict the next word, confidently just makes something up. Remember, it's a pattern matcher, not a fact checker. Okay, now it's your turn. Take a look at these 4 prompts from the tutorial's exercise. Which ones are super ambiguous and probably going to give you a junk response? And which ones are clear, specific, and totally set up for success? If you picked prompts 2 and 4, you are spot on. They give specific details: word count, audience, data source. And that really is the main takeaway here. Clarity is power. The more specific your instructions are, the more powerful your AI partner becomes. Thanks so much for joining me. Now, I want you to think about one vague request you make all the time and how you could supercharge it into a really valuable command. We'll see you next time as we continue our journey into prompt engineering.